Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano i-transform yung standard equation ng circle to general equation. So ito ang ating standard equation. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. Ito rin ang tinatawag na center radius form kasi magdedetermine natin ng madalian ang center at radius natin na HK ang ating center tapos ang radius. So, paano natin gagawing general equation? So, ang general equation natin ay magiging x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So, gagawin natin na format ng ganito, yung given na standard equation. Standard equation of circle to general equation. So, let's have an example number 1. So, if we're going to transform the standard equation x minus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared is equal to 4. So, the equation of the circle is in the standard form. Okay? So, how are we going to transform into general form? So, just simply expand this. Okay? So, this is a square of binomial x times x, that is x squared, x times 2 times 2, okay, negative 4x plus 2 times 2, that is equivalent to 4, plus y times y squared, y times 3, that is 3y times 2, positive 6y, then 3 times 3, that is equivalent to 9, which is equal to 4. So, bale, ang ginamit ko dito ay special product, yung shortcut ng square of binomial. So, x times x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x times 2, kaya negative 4x. 2 times 2, that is positive 4. Okay? So, ganun din dito, square of binomial yung technique na in-apply ko. Y times y squared. Y times 3, that is 3y times 2, kaya naging 6y. Then, 3 times 3, 9, 4. Then, i-arrange na natin and i-transform na natin itong 4 dito sa kaliwa. So, magiging x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 plus 9 minus 4 equals to 0. So, paano naging ganyan? So, x squared, ito. Y squared, ito. Minus 4x plus 6y. So, yung mga constant natin, nilagay ko na dito. Tapos, yung 4, nilipat ko dito kaya naging negative. So, inarrange ko siya sa ganitong format. Okay? Mauna yung x squared, y squared, yung may x, may y, saka yung constant. So, dito may tatlo tayong constant. Yung 4, 9, at saka yung negative 4 na transform. So, isimplify natin yan. 4 plus 9 minus 4. Bale, 4 plus 9, 13 minus 4, that is equivalent to 9. So, then, kopyahin na lang natin to. Magiging x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. So, this is now the general form of the equation. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, i-arrange natin siya na ganitong format. X squared, y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, this is the general form of this standard equation. Okay? Let's have more example. Number 2. If the given standard equation is x minus x plus 3 quantity squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equal to 36. Okay, so that is the given standard equation. So how are we going to transform into general form? So just simply expand this, square this binomial. So x times x, that is x squared. X times 3, that is 3x times 2 plus 6x. Then 3 times 3, that is 9. Next, here, in this binomial, y times y squared, y times 4, that is 4y times 2, so that is 8y. Then 4 times 4, 16 is equal to 36. So let's arrange the terms according to the general form. So x squared, ito yon. Sunod ay y squared. Susunod sa y squared ay itong 6x. Sunod sa 6x yung may y plus 6y. And then 9 plus 9 plus 16 minus 36 equals to 0. So we transform 36 to the left side of the equation. That's why it's become negative 36. Okay, we're going to simplify these three constant. 9 plus 16, that is 25. So 25 minus 36, 25 minus 36, that is 11. Okay, negative 11. So we have negative 11 here. Then x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 6y is equal to, minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is now the general form of the equation. So as simple as that. Okay? And last example, example number 3. So example number 3, we have x minus 5 quantity squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equal to 4. Okay, so just expand this binomial. So square of binomial, x times x, x squared, x times negative 5, negative 5x times 2, negative 10x. Then negative 5 times negative 5, that is positive 25. Next, this one. So y times y squared, y times 4, 4y times 2, so we have positive 8y. 4 times 4, so that is 16, so we have equals to 4. So arrange now the terms according to the general forms. You will have the x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y plus 25 plus 16 minus 4 equals to 0. So we transform 4, it will become negative 4. So we're going to simplify this. 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 is 41 minus 4, that is 37. Okay, so this is 37. So let's copy the other term. We have x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y plus 37 is equal to 0. So this is now the standard equation, general equation of this equation. So as simple as that. So that's the way how are you going to transform standard equation to general equation of the circle. So I hope you learned something. So share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless to everyone.